So here on screen is the money I've made with Coinbase referrals. $10, $10, $10, $10, another $10, $10, $10, and it just keeps going and going and going. And I've made quite a bit of money just simply from Coinbase referrals. I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. I'm going to explain what Coinbase referrals are, why they have such a good referral program, and I'll even cover how you can promote your referral link and actually make money on Coinbase without ever spending any money. Okay, so you've just seen this in the intro. This is my transaction history for Bitcoin. You can see I'm receiving $10 in Bitcoin every so often now and again. $10, $10, $10, $10. Now, the reason I'm earning this money is because my referral link is out there on the internet and people are signing up through my link, buying Bitcoin, which then gives me essentially a commission. So if you didn't know, Coinbase have a scheme where you can invite your friends. So invite a friend to Coinbase and you'll both get $10. So if someone clicks on your link, which is here, they then go and create a Coinbase account and they then go and buy $100 or more worth of crypto, you're both going to receive a $10 bonus completely for free coming out of Coinbase's pocket. So I'm going to show you here how you can go ahead and promote your link and start earning commissions like me. So here is my link. So if we just go to my link, this is what it will look like. Here is the link. You're invited to try Coinbase. You'll get $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell $100 or more in crypto, and it then gets them to create an account. So our job here is to get people to sign up to Coinbase and buy $100 worth of crypto. So how do we do that? So there are many different ways you can do that. But what I've been doing is I've been creating how-to content about crypto, which is aimed at beginners, because beginners are going to be your target audience here. Beginners are going to be who's signing up. So if we go to my channel here, I've got a channel on YouTube called Knowledge Base. What I've been doing, I've been creating simple tutorial videos which shows people how to use Coinbase. So here you've got a video here, which happens to have 32,000 views, which basically explains to people how they can send Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet. In this video, I will link the Coinbase referral program and tell people if they haven't got a Coinbase account, they can go ahead and sign up. I've got more videos as well, how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Binance. You've got how to find your Bitcoin wallet address, how to set up recurring buys, and how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase and transfer to Exodus. So in this video, I guess it's a perfect example. What I'm doing is I'm teaching someone how they can use Coinbase to buy Bitcoin. So right here, we've got how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. And then here in the description, if we scroll down, I've got get free $10 Bitcoin from Coinbase. And then here is my affiliate link or my referral link here. Then when people go ahead and go to this video, they then click on my referral link and sign up and buy Bitcoin. I am then going to get a commission, and so are they. They're going to get $10 free as well. Another great way to get people to sign up, you go to Twitter, you go to the search bar and you search for how do I buy Bitcoin. Go ahead and search that in on Twitter. Now, you're going to get people here that are interested in buying Bitcoin. They know what it is, but they don't know how to buy it. So how do I buy Bitcoin? How do I buy Bitcoin using dollar? How do I buy Bitcoin? You've got people here who are asking the question, how do I buy Bitcoin? And what you can do, you can message these people, you can reach out and say, PM me and I'll walk you through the process. Then you can just give them your Coinbase link, and then when they go and buy Bitcoin, and if they buy $100 worth, you're going to earn $10. So the way I'm doing it is through making how-to content around Coinbase. You can do it that way as well. It honestly works really well. Or you can go down another route and go through Twitter or make a blog or just simply share it with your friends. That's how you can earn free Bitcoin without buying it on Coinbase with using the referral program. Please leave a like and subscribe if this video helped you out.